Welcome back again, everyone, to our channel Basic English and Vocabulary, a way to improve yourself. Hope you all are elated for the video and in your lives also. So, today's topic is very interesting and easy also. So, let's know the topic first. It's the how to pronounce the and the correctly. We all get confused where we have to say the and where we have to say the. So let's see in the video and figure out this confusion and be comfortable to pronounce the and the after the video. So the, the. If the words after the start with consonant sound means except A, E, I, O, U, then we say the. It's mean अगर द के बाद वाला वर्ड हमारा ए ई आई ओ यू को छोड़ के स्टार्ट होता है मीन्स कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है देन वी हैव टू प्रोनाउंस द एग्जाम्पल्स द डॉग द बॉल द मोबाइल फोन the. If the word after the start with vowel sound means A, E, I, O, U, then we say the. अगर द के बाद वाला वर्ड हमारा ए ई आई ओ यू से स्टार्ट होता है देन वी हैव टू प्रोनाउंस दी. एग्जाम्पल्स द एलिफेंट, द umbrella, the X. Hope you all get to know where we have to pronounce the and where we have to pronounce the. So, tell me what we use before India Gate, the or the. Comment in the comment section box and please reply if you know it. Hope you all like the video and it is useful for everyone. Thank you for watching it and bye bye.